In this video, I'll be showing you how to pair our dedicated DarkMatters handset to our DarkMatters inline dimmer. The pairing process is really simple. Simply press the two brightness buttons on the inline dimmer and hold for 2 seconds. The connected lights should flash twice. As soon as this happens, press and hold the power button on the handset and hold for 2 seconds. The connected lights should flash 3 times to show a successful pairing. To unpair, press and hold the two brightness buttons on the inline dimmer for 5 seconds. The connected lights should flash 5 times. This shows that all pairings will be deleted. With this handset, you can turn your DarkMatters on or off. You can adjust the brightness with the touch wheel slider, as well as using these manual buttons where you can press or press and hold. We have a night mode as well, which brings your DarkMatters to its lowest level of brightness, and there's also a 30 seconds delay. This means if you press this button, your DarkMatters will turn off after 30 seconds. This allows you to leave a room. We also have increments of 25%, 50%, 75%, as well as full brightness, and you can even select a desired level of brightness and save it with these scene buttons below. If you're looking for a simplified handset, then why not try our DarkMatters Easy Controller.